Level 7 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management. The Level 7 Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management is a qualification for aspiring health and safety professionals. The objective of this qualification is to develop occupational health and safety management skills for managers who have the authority and personal attributes to translate organizational strategy into effective operational performance. This qualification reflects current practice in occupational health and safety management and allows learners to develop and expand their high-level understanding of occupational health and safety in the workplace. The program addresses a wide range of multidisciplinary topics such as health and safety management practice, health and safety management systems, strategic risk intervention, strategies to improve occupational well-being and sustainability, and ethics. The Advanced Research Methods unit will allow learners to develop a critical understanding of the philosophical, practical, and ethical concepts of research within the context of a health and safety environment. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937, 0092321505 6755.